Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook sponge cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 4 large eggs, 100 grams of castor sugar, and 100 grams of self-raising flour. Don't forget a small pinch of salt and a teaspoon of vanilla extract for that perfect aroma. Also, prepare your 20-centimeter round cake tin by greasing and flouring it lightly. Having everything ready makes the baking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that airy batter. In a large bowl, whisk your 4 eggs with 100 grams of sugar until the mixture is very pale, thick, and has tripled in volume. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes using an electric mixer on high speed. Next, gently fold in the 100 grams of sifted flour and a pinch of salt in 2 separate additions. Remember to be very gentle to keep all that lovely air in the mixture. With your batter ready, carefully pour it into the prepared 20-centimeter round cake tin. Gently smooth the top with a spatula. Now, place it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's done when the cake is golden brown and springs back when lightly touched. A skewer inserted into the center should come out perfectly clean. Once baked, allow your beautiful sponge cake to cool in its tin for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps it firm up before handling. Then, carefully invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, you can slice it into 8 to 10 generous portions. Enjoy your homemade sponge cake plain, or elevate it with a dollop of fresh whipped cream and some seasonal berries. It's a delightful treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.